All right, guys, it's 4 o'clock back in Sherman Oaks because they said they were getting rid of theirs at 5 o'clock. Let's see. There's almost an hour left, so let's go. Running late. I don't think I'm gonna get one. Damn, dude, look at this. Damn, 11 people in line. God dang it, I screwed up. I got here late. Dope. We'll see. I'm gonna wait for a little bit. All right, so much for that. They didn't come here early enough, but they did have a few sizes for men's. They did have them, but just got here late. My bad. Oh my goodness, I forgot the Oscars are today. Oh my God, this is gonna be a nightmare. Oh my God. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cooks. We are back for another video. Trying to get one of these leftover Jordan 3 White Cements. Let's go see how it works, man. All right, do I really need one of these Jordan 3 White Cements? No, not really. Someone who really helps me out, they screwed up and they need a pair, so this is why I'm going through all this. I'm walking like 6 blocks. Y'all saw how they closed the street, man. It's a lot of work, dude. It's a lot of work. I'm making this video so, you know, you guys can see how much work it really takes, what all the resellers go through. This ain't easy, man. This ain't for everybody, I'll tell you that. The question is it Hollywood and Highland Foot Locker even open today? They might not even be open. Holy cow. All right, we're gonna find out. And if not, I still got time to go to another spot. Like, I'm telling you, this place is open. Mayweather Gym's open. All right, let's go. All right, they're getting ready for the Oscars. Huge Oscar center. All right, they're not open. Now I need to go somewhere else. Like I said, I don't really have to have these. I could probably trade one of mine pair for them. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys what everybody has to go through to get a guaranteed pair. It's either going through all this or paying backdoor prices, man. It's a pain, man. It's a pain, dude. I do drive a ton. I see some random stuff, man. Fire hydrant went out, apparently. Got fire trucks over there. What the hell, man? Damn, someone had a crazy night. Or a crazy morning. Westfield. Is it Westfield Fashion Square? Let's see if the doors are even open. They usually don't open 2 hours ahead. Ooh, okay. Apparently they are open. Okay, let's go. All right, gonna be number 1. Do I need to be here 2 hours ahead? Probably not, but do I want to have issues? No. If you're number 1, usually are no issues. Just in case someone tries to be slick, say they were ahead of me. Here's my timestamp, man. I've had that issue before. Let's go. All right, so they did open early just to get rid of these, or just to get what? They had 1 men's pair, dude. 1 men's pair. That's it. I'm looking for a 9.5. I did pick up a 10 because that's all they had. Literally one freaking pair. I came here 2 hours early. That's why I came 2 hours early, dude. Like, isn't that crazy? There were a few people in line, so there were 3 behind me, 4 of us total. Damn, dude. That's it. All right, let's go. All right, so I wasn't able to film me actually buying the stuff. The manager came out, and yeah, I wasn't able to film it because I was using my phone for the flex, like to give him my flex thing. 10:37, already grabbed a pair. I think I'm done for the day. Man. I'm gonna hit up a Champs outlet later because I'm gonna happen to be in that area. But yeah, man, like, was it worth all that work? I don't know. I just texted my boy who needed the 9.5, and that fool now says, oh yeah, there was some sort of miscommunication because he didn't need the 9.5. I was like, what? I did all this work, and I don't know. We'll see. So I guess I don't know. I guess this is for trade bait. I don't know, but I wanted to show you guys, hey, it is possible to grab stuff even without hookups, that type of stuff. If you really need, and you don't have to win raffles because you can still come up. You know, you can still come up. All right, guys, that's what it took to get one of these, you guys. This is the size 10 that I did grab. You know, if you guys listen through, like I kind of needed these, but I don't necessarily need them anymore. I'm not gonna sell them. I'm not gonna sell them. Please don't contact me. Please don't ask. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out what to do with these. I might try to trade them to try to get one for one of the boys, because I have a couple homies that were asking for them. So we'll see. We'll see. I haven't figured it out, but I thought this video was interesting. I showed y'all kind of what it takes. Like, I've made these videos in the past. If you guys have worked with my channel for quite some time, I've made these videos in the past. Y'all already knew. I haven't done this in a while. That's kind of why I did this. You know, obviously it's a little late to help out with this release, but I've talked about it. Talked about going out on release day. Talked about what's called. You know, hope you guys know what's up. Hope you guys know what to do. Hope you guys were able to come up on these. I ran into a couple of you guys when I was out there, not on leftover day, but on release day. I did talk to a couple of you guys, and I you know, gave a little bit of suggestions, but y'all knew what was up. Y'all knew what was up. So hopefully you guys were able to grab a pair. It's not for everybody. I'm not gonna lie, it's not for everybody. I spent about 4 hours. I left my house around 7 o'clock in the morning. I got back about 11. 4 hours. Is that for everybody? Probably not. Probably not. You guys saw I went to 2 separate places. Obviously, I had no inside info because I was going out to Hollywood and that store wasn't even open. So obviously, I didn't have any info. But I did grab a pair. I was the only lucky one there, and it's because I got the 2 hours early. 2 hours early. I did get my purchase. It was like 10 something, like a couple minutes after 10, and then I putzed around for a little bit, talked to a few people over the phone and stuff like that. But yeah, I was able to grab one. You know what I'm saying? Pretty fire, you guys. Pretty fire. A lot of these had quality control issues. This has some quality control issues, and some people ask like, hey, did you still pick them up? Like, this was the only one there. Of course, I'm still gonna pick it up. You know. I'm gonna be honest, at least half of them, they don't look great. I was able to get my hands on a few pairs, so I'm gonna kind of make a video on the quality control aspect of that. I got some the UNC 5s, and there were some quality control issues with those. I got some Mama Maniers, quality control issues with those as well. So we're gonna talk about all those issues, and you know, we'll see if you guys are still collecting all these, even though vast majority of them have some issues. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A little bit shorter than most videos, but like I said, I thought this was hella interesting. I thought it's something that we've all been through, and if you're a hardcore collector, this is something that you guys will go through. If you're a reseller, you'll go through this as well. So hope you guys are learning. Hope you guys are watching, and hopefully you guys are interested in this material, because like I said, I've been to a million different regular stores, and this is different, and I think it's a little more informative. You know, it'll at least give you information about whether that's something you're into, whether you're not into, or you know, whether it also gives you an aspect of what the resellers go through, because that's stuff that they go through as well. When I'm out and about like this and spending really ridiculous amounts of time trying to get 1 or 2 pair of sneakers, most of the people that I do end up seeing are the resellers, because most regular people, we don't have time for this. But this was a Sunday though. This was Sunday, so you probably did have time for it. That's gonna give you information on whether it's worth it or not, because some of you guys it's gonna be worth it, some of you guys it's not. I was able to make this video. In my opinion, this was a dope video because it gives you guys a lot more information than the regular one. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Hope you guys are entertained. But yeah, make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. And yeah, I'm gonna have a review of the Alma Manier 12s. I'm gonna have the quality control aspect stuff. So we got plenty of videos. So hopefully you guys are staying tuned. Hopefully you guys are watching these videos, and got plenty coming, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Y'all really stay till the end? All right.